Our shop is called Spartan Designs. We're here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We do a lot of metal fabrication, everything from handrails at breweries to custom vehicles. Let's see, I went to Tech in Laramie, Wyoming, and graduated with honors over there. Learned how to do sheet metal fabrication, sheet metal shaping, TIG welding, everything fab, basically. Learned how to paint cars and do body work as well. Something about metal that just, how do I say this? It's just like, I connect to it, you know? It's like, it's a passion, I guess, for just taking a flat piece of steel and making it like three-dimensional into an object, you know what I mean? And I think that, for me, always, even since I was a kid, has always been real intriguing, so it's kind of just what I shot for whenever I got older. Try that sucker. That's something me and Chris came up with as we were just building stuff together, because we would do stuff that we didn't think a lot of other people would be able to do, so whenever we're finished with something, it's just like, try that sucker, anybody, you know? So it's just pride, that's all that is.
We've been at the shop for coming up on 2 years now. Actually, this month it is 2 years now. We kind of worked part-time for a long time, and now I'm in here full-time and giving it a good go, trying to get our customer base up. We're all about metal fab, anything metal fab, anything from stair rails and handrails to hot rods. Hot rods is kind of our passion, and trucks and 4x4s and cars and motorcycles, so anything metal. We've just been doing that for the last couple years and making a go of it here. I'd had a passion for it my whole life, so I never really had any formal schooling on it, but I just love cars, and I just kind of worked my way into it. I used to beat up on my Hot Wheels when I was a little kid and repaint them and change colors on them and stuff, and now I'm doing it big scale. So I had hot rod shops in the past. I worked at hot rod shops in the Northwest, down in the Southwest, and I've had my own a couple times. Now that I met Nate, he convinced me to do this with him, and happy to be here doing it full time. It is that Try That Sucker is totally, you know, Nate and I'd be working on something, and we'd finish a project. We work so well together. We'd feed off each other, and then we'd finish the project and we'd come up with something that it seems like nobody else could come up with that stuff. Between the two of us together, we come up with it, and we're like, try that sucker. Like anybody, give it a shot, try that sucker, you know, and that's what that is. That's what that is for us.